Hi everyone! Last time we learned about empirical formulas, so this time let's talk about molecular formulas. Remember that empirical formulas are the simplified chemical formulas, and molecular formulas are the actual chemical formulas. Today we're going to convert empirical formulas to molecular formulas. What that means is we'll take the simplified formula and unsimplify it to get the original formula. Here are the two steps. First, we'll find the mass of the empirical formula. Then we'll divide the molar mass of the molecule by the mass of the empirical formula to find the factor that will undo the simplification. Let's look at an example. A compound has the empirical formula CH2O. Its molar mass is 60.05 grams per mole. What is the molecular formula? First, I'll find the mass of the simplified formula. The mass of CH2O is the mass of carbon plus 2 hydrogens plus oxygen, which is 30.03. I'm getting all of these masses from the periodic table. Then I take the actual mass, 60.05, and divide by the mass of the empirical formula, 30.03. This gives me 2. This means 2 is the factor I need to unsimplify my empirical formula. I take the empirical formula and multiply all its subscripts by 2. That means my molecular formula is C2H4O2. Let's look at another example. What if I take that same empirical formula but change the molar mass from 60.05 to 90.08? The mass of the empirical formula, CH2O, is still 30.03. However, when I divide the molar mass by the empirical mass, I get 3. That means this time the factor that will unsimplify this empirical formula is 3, so I multiply all of my subscripts by 3. My molecular formula is C3H6O3. This last example I'll show you is interesting. We'll take that same empirical formula and this time we'll change the molar mass to 30.03. Now, when I divide the molar mass by the empirical mass, I get 1. That means my molecular formula and my empirical formula are the same. Thank you for watching, and I hope that was easy.